You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these two words. We'll be looking at how to say more words of these origin as well, from the Middle East as well, that are common in English and that you may want to learn as well. But let's go through those two. The top word is pronounced in English as Arab. So you want to stress on this first A syllable, Arab, with a schwa syllable, not an A, not Arab, Arab, Arab. Now the bottom word here is the adjective as well, and said also with a stress on the first syllable, Arabic, Arabic, Arabic is your bottom word here. Arab is your top word. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more Arab words or words from the Arabic language. I'll see you there. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate the support, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.